Hi guys, so this is my new vlog and it's the beginning of a new week. Actually, it's the second day of this week. It's Tuesday today and it's the 2nd of October, and we are just back from our Australia trip and we are back home. It's a sudden weather change for us because, you know, we were in snow and so much cold, and suddenly we are back in Bombay and it is so hot here. It's crazily hot, but I'm happy to come back home, oh, sweet home. So anyways, we have another trip that we are going to be doing. We have a trip to Sri Lanka. Raghav's got a show, and then we are going to extend it for like 3-4 days, and that's happening in next few days. That's on the 7th we leave and we'll be back around the 14th. So I am going to vlog through this week, and yeah, there are certain things that I have to finish before leaving at my office. For home, I have to go and pick up certain things for the Colombo trip, the Sri Lanka trip. So I'm gonna do that. Right now I am heading out because I have to go and buy Kian's stroller, which we lost. I don't know where we lost it, but I just realized that it was not at home a night before we were leaving for Australia, and I had to actually call a friend and get her baby's stroller because I could not shop anywhere at night. So now that I'm back, I am just gonna go and pick up a new stroller for him. I'm gonna take you guys through my entire day today and my entire week. Whenever possible, I am going to vlog throughout the week, so you guys stay tuned and keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I went to Inorbit and I went to Infinity Mall. I don't know why I keep looking up. I'm supposed to be looking at the lens, but yeah, I went to Inorbit and I went to Infinity because I was like I said, I wanted to check out some prams for Kian, some strollers. In fact, not a pram but a stroller. But I didn't really get anything at Mothercare because they were all so expensive, and I don't want to buy something very expensive right now because what I need is for traveling, and you know how it is at the airport. They throw it, they dump it here and there. So I have a good pram for Kian which I don't end up using much, which I keep it for Bombay in case I travel somewhere in Bombay. And when we are traveling out of country, I prefer to take a lighter stroller for him because it's easy to carry, and it doesn't really matter even if they dump it from one place to another at the airport. So yeah, so I was looking for something like that. I have not found anything, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go online because on Amazon they have very good options. So I will mostly be ordering it from Amazon. So yeah, but I did land up shopping a couple of things for myself. I picked up these shoes from there. Yeah, I know, they're very cool. So they have this zipper which makes it so convenient to wear and take it off so easily, and they had a fabulous deal. So this was for 5,799, which is 5,800, and I got it for 2,300. That's 2,300. So yeah, and so I picked these up. Then I also picked up a couple of other things. I'm going to show you what all I got. I went to Zara again to check out some stuff, and I didn't really get anything from there like clothing wise or anything, but I did pick up a perfume which I was just passing by and I smelled it and I really liked it, which is Zara Lily Pad. This is the perfume, and I tried the small bottle. It smells very nice. So for my daily use, for my regular use, I thought I could just use it, and I picked it up for $9.90. That is not very expensive. This is a 100 ml bottle and it smells good. Then I went to one of my favorite brands because I have a lipstick which is one of my favorite lipsticks, and that was getting over, so I wanted to just go and pick it up. And what I love about Shiseido is you go to buy one thing and you end up with at least 2 to 3 things because they give you so many gifts with it. So that's what they did. I went to buy my lipstick, which is Perfect Rouge RS 306. I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't know if you can see it, but I will just put the details down below. They gave me this moisturizer for day and night. This was complimentary that they gave me with my lipstick. So thank you, Shiseido. I love it when you guys give gifts with something that I buy. Hi guys. So my plan for the movie got cancelled because my sister got back home very late and she was very tired because of the heat and everything. So we did not end up going for a movie. Instead, I'm sitting at home alone and watching a movie. I'm gonna watch Parmanu tonight because I haven't seen that film. So I'm gonna sit and watch that, and maybe tomorrow I'll go for the movie to the theater with my sister. And yeah, so today's day was quite busy and nothing very big or very important happened because I had to finish some stuff which was pending. So I was busy with that, and yeah, tomorrow is a working day, so I'm gonna head to my work and a lot of stuff that I have to figure out for my blog and for my upcoming shoots, and of course my travel that's coming up on the 7th. So yeah, today's day was quite easy, and it went off very fast, in fact. So now I am going to start watching my film, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hey guys, good morning. So today is the 3rd of October and I am ready to step out of the house. Raghav's got his rehearsals, and I'm gonna take Kian for his rehearsals, band rehearsals, because he loves to see the rehearsals and so many different instruments that the band carries. There's a drummer, there's a bass guitarist, there's a keyboard player. So Kian just loves to go for the rehearsals and spend some time there. So I'm gonna head there, I'm gonna take him to the rehearsal, and then I'm gonna drop him to the school, head to my work. Today I'm gonna sit and try and edit some videos of the Australia trip that we did, Australia and New Zealand. There is so much material. I don't know how much time it's gonna take, but I'm gonna try and do this. I might end up putting up this vlog before I put up those videos because that's gonna take a long time. This I might be able to finish up earlier than that. So we've just reached Autotune, that's Raghav's studio, and I'm gonna take Kian up for the rehearsal. He's like waiting to go for the rehearsals. And he's so excited right now. So I'm gonna take him there, keep him there for like half an hour, 45 minutes, and then drop him off to the school. So I'm just sitting outside the theater waiting for my sister, and apparently my brother's watching the same film, so he's going to be watching it with his friends, and my sister has taken seats just in the same row, so it turns out that we are all watching the film together, and we are going for Sui Dhaga. And yeah, so I'm sitting in the car waiting for them. Once they come here, I am going to jump out of my car and go inside where I cannot take this camera. So yep, and I don't see them. I think they're here. Okay guys, so I will see you guys in my tomorrow's vlog. Good night. Hey guys, good morning. So today is 4th of October and I am ready to step out of the house. I just shot an IGTV video for Instagram. I just did my look for today. I've kept it very simple, so I just did it with the products, showing what products I've used and how I have created this look. And now I'm gonna step out. I have to take Kian again today for Raghav's rehearsals. He's got rehearsals in the studio, so I'm gonna take him there. And after that I'm gonna drop him to school. I might have to take him to his doctor for a regular checkup before we leave for Colombo for Sri Lanka. That's we leaving. That's on the 6th. That's Saturday night we'll be leaving. And then I have to just finish up some stuff. My packing is left. I have to pack for that. And yeah, so also I'm trying to edit some videos and do a new vlog post on travel. This is going to be my first post on travel, which will not be on a specific place that I'm going, but in general what I think about traveling. Just a little bit of that and a couple of pictures, and then I will start posting my travels per post, you know, per post, new travel, every single post, you know what I mean. So yeah, so I'm just gonna step out of the house, and it's so hot outside guys, it's crazy. I keep saying that, but it's just madness. But yeah, it will get better. It's the end of the year almost, so it will get better, let's hope. Yeah, so okay, I'm gonna leave. Bye bye. So I'm finally done with my packing. I have got my 3 bags ready. This is bag number 1, which is going to have our laptops and iPads and everything. And this is going to be bag number 2, which has mine and Kian's clothes. And we always prefer to carry a coffee machine, so we have a coffee machine here, and that's Raghav's bag. So finally I have managed to pack everything in 3 bags. Now I'm gonna quickly go for shower and head out. First have lunch, then head out, take Kian to my mommy's place, leave him there, finish all my work in the market, come back home, get ready, and yeah, let's see how the day goes. So we just received Kian's pram. We ordered a pram for him because, not a pram actually, a stroller, because his stroller has just...
New big pram!
Yeah, because his stroller has suddenly disappeared and we don't know where it's gone. In fact, I had to take a stroller from a friend of mine and do the trip to Australia, because it was just so last minute I couldn't even go and buy it. So I've just ordered it from Amazon and we've just received it, and Kian is super excited to see his new stroller. So Kian's pram is ready, and it literally took me like 10 minutes or not even that to put everything together. And the brand is Love Lap, which is the same brand of Kian's car seat that I have for him in my car. It's very easy to put up together and it's not so complicated, and the best part is, oh my god, why am I fumbling so much? The best part is that it is so light. It has 3 different positions: sitting, reclining and sleeping. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the buy that I did from Amazon. Phone पकड़ाया.
say sorry, 'cause I'm missing more than just your body.
So I'm just back from my mommy's place and I had some good time with the kids. They just wanted to show me their dance performances. But anyways, I'm back from there and I am all packed. Yeah, that's one bag that's open right now, but I'm all packed and I am going to get ready because Raghav's gonna come back home and we have to go to a friend's place for his birthday, and we will directly leave for the airport from there. And this is the end of my vlog, and I will be vlogging from Sri Lanka, so you guys stay tuned and to watch my Sri Lanka vlog after this.